Okay, time for part two. So part one was all about getting the first bit of the board ready and starting some of that wiring. Part two is actually about connecting it all up, getting the everything tidy and sorted, and giving you a walk around the finished, well, nearly finished, the finished electrics for board three. Still got some jobs to do, but when is it ever done? So from the top, the branch line and the main station lines are pretty much stuck on and in. And just need to sort of connect them up and get them finished, so through to the isolated points there. But most importantly is what's happened underneath. Underneath these two boards, all the wiring. It looks a little bit messy here, but it's not. That's just extra slack which goes underneath, which I'll move to in a minute. From a top level, we have the points with the power cables there, the white, yellow and blue, and the red track power, all coming through back down underneath. And then all of the tracks are independently wired, connected and go back through. So we have two tracks on the main line. Each one of them has its red and its black that go into there, and the middle one of those three goes back down to the control system underneath. And on the right hand side with the other 2 points, they're wired in again. The only thing missing here is I've run out of block detection capacity on that board, so that will go onto the control board round to the side. They all come back down here to this loom here and then disappear underneath. So let's take a look underneath. From the main control board, as I've already shown before, it goes up to board 1, which I covered in a different video. But then the Cat 5 and all the power comes out the back. It then goes around the layout underneath and then gets to board actually it's board 3, because board 2 is not built yet. That's for the next piece of track. So on board 3, all the cables come out from above through there. They then go down to the block detection system there, and the point system there. The power feed into the board, as I mentioned, comes off this power system that goes around the whole circuit, so it draws from there. And as I did with the other board, and I know I'm sort of back to front upside down here, I can disconnect these and disconnect these, so I can actually just bring the whole board down if I want to, because it's just latched up on metal. But it's very easy just to do some maintenance on anything. Just take that out. Same with that one. Unclip these. And then the board is down. So, you know, nice and easy, well, complicated, but makes it simpler if there are any problems in the future. And as you can see, everything is numbered, and I have a system that keeps all these numbers, so I know exactly what is where, what goes to what. So again, if I have a problem, I can put the logic back to see where the problem is and what the impacted components are. So there we go. That's where we are right now. And everything comes back to life. Ultimately, it all comes down to control though. So if I go into my controller, into the accessories, I've got my turnouts listed here. And lo and behold, they turn out. And same down the other end, as you would expect. They're just set correctly at the moment. There you go. They work. And most importantly, well, that's not true. Also to note that this is now all in train controller as well, an iTrain, so I can manage this through iTrain. So next jobs. Finish off the track here. These bits here haven't been glued down yet. The left hand is all glued down. I've got the right differences here based on the Pico track setting tool. Using track setter to make sure I get straight lines. So finish off this line basically, and then I will start to turn my attention to that sweeping curve that comes around here, which will then connect me down to my industry area there, along with a spare coat hanger. Just to prove it does work,